Hey! In front of me is Microsoft Surface Duo, and today I would like to show you how you can set up screen lock on this device. Firstly, go into Settings, then you need to scroll down and choose Security. Now tap on Screen Lock and pick one of the login methods, PIN or password. I will go with PIN, so I have to click on it and enter it. Then choose Next over here and repeat it. Now tap on Confirm. Over here you need to select how do you want the lock screen to display your notifications. I don't want any, so I will go with don't show notifications at all, and tap on Done. Now when I go back, turn off my screen, then turn it back on, I can see that PIN is now required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!